It is not new, it is not surprising. Rahul Gandhi has always taken pot shots at India whenever he goes abroad. Whenever he is elsewhere, he ends up speaking ill about our nation, about our Prime Minister. So I think it is very unfair that a leader from opposition party takes this kind of approach when he is traveling, when he is supposed to be talking proudly about a nation, when nations across the world are moving ahead or coming forward to honor our Honorable Prime Minister with the highest civilian awards of their country. The Prime Minister is touring the nations and making the country proud, but the leader from the opposition party is at the same time going around talking ill about the nation is rather unfortunate. It is not new that the Congress has always pitched against the country, and they are continuing to do that. And I don't think or I don't believe that their faith lies with India, or their loyalty lies towards India. It is very unfortunate, but this is the reality.
So NDA is winning, has been assured. A lot of people over here in BJP and other places also. NDA's victory is sure in Tamil Nadu.
See, the anti-incumbency is extremely high. The government has underperformed. They've been running the government with this PowerPoint presentations over the last 4.5 years, and people are fed up. Law and order has gone completely rogue. So we are literally living in a rogue state right now, and rogue states never survive. Tamil Nadu cannot survive another term of the DMK's rule. The corrupt dynastic family rule has ruined the fabric of the state, and DMK in every juncture has been trying to alter with the DNA of the state itself, and this will not be accepted by the people of Tamil Nadu, and they'll give a befitting reply in the 2026 assembly elections.